I literally walked up to Joe and I'm like, all these POVs are gonna be in them now.
Yeah.
Woo!
Well, you can assist if I pass out.
Oh my god, perfect. No one's passing out. No one's no one. No one.
No.
Thank you. Are you ready?
I am ready. Yes. I've gotten 3 rides so far today.
Okay.
As well as 1 on Sunday.
Yes.
So I am prepared, or as prepared as I can be.
What's your favorite part?
I mean, it's all the near miss elements.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
I love like the fire surface roll toward the end. Just
Fire surf and roll, that first turn, and then the second, stunning.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Woo!
I mean, the goat is pretty good too.
The goat. I was just talking about the goat, the last one, the last ride I did. Woo! Oh!
All right. The top of what's right. The 0G stall. I love looking up. Oh, and the track is right there above you. Oh, goodness. And there it is. 9 times upside down.
Just 9.
Just 9. That's
casually.
9.
Yeah. Holy cow. That
Holy goat.
Holy goat. Oh my gosh. Absolutely insane.
That is just such an incredible ride. You definitely need to come check it out. I was very scared that that it would be too much for me, but the rolling launch really makes it. It's just a great ride overall.
And it's smooth. I think that's the key to say. 9 inversions, smooth.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, just a great time overall.
Please proceed to the bins on the exit platform